Have you ever searched for coffee shops near me or best pizza in your city? If you have, then you have seen local SEO in action. It is what helps businesses appear in search results when users are looking for services or products in their local area. But what exactly is local SEO and how can you use it to boost your business? See, local SEO is one of the most powerful tools for small businesses and brick and mortar stores. It's all about getting your business to show up when potential customers are searching for things nearby. So, whether you are running a restaurant, a law firm, or a boutique shop, mastering local SEO can help you attract more local customers, increase food traffic, and grow your business. So, in this video, we will dive into what local SEO is, why it's important, and exactly how can you optimize your online presence to rank higher in local search results. By the end, you will know how to take your local SEO game to the next level and attract more customers right to your doorstep. Ready? So let's get started. Let's start with what is local SEO. So local SEO is the practice of optimizing your online presence so your business can be found in local search results on Google and other search engines. See, the goal of local SEO is to promote your business when potential customers are searching for products or services within a specific geographic area. For example, if you run a dental practice in New York, you want to show up when somebody in your area searches for dentist near me or the best dental clinic in New York. So, local SEO includes optimizing your website, setting up your Google business profile, which is formerly known as Google My Business, getting customer reviews, and building local citations. So, when done right, local SEO helps your business appear in Google's local pack, which is the map and list of businesses that show up at the top of local search results. Now, the question arises, why is local SEO important? Well, local SEO is essential for businesses that rely on local customers. It does not matter how good your product or service is. If potential customers cannot find you online, they are likely to go to your competitors. And in today's world, most people start their search online. So here's why local SEO is a must for businesses. First reason is obviously increased visibility. So local SEO helps your business appear in front of potential customers who are searching for services nearby. Then you have higher conversion rates. Local searches have high intent, meaning people searching for local businesses are more likely to convert into customers. In fact, 76% of people who conduct a local search on their phone visit a business within 24 hours. And 28% of those searches result in a purchase, according to Google. Then you have mobile optimization. With more and more people using their mobile devices to search for local businesses, having a strong local SEO strategy helps you capture this growing audience. So here's a small action tip for you. If your business serves a local area, focusing on local SEO will help you attract more food traffic and phone calls from nearby customers. Make sure your website and online presence are optimized for local searches. Then the next question that comes is how to do local SEO. Well, see, key steps are here. Now that we understand why local SEO is important, let's break down the steps you need to take to optimize your business for local search results. First is claim and optimize your Google business profile. See, the first and most important step in any local SEO strategy is to claim and optimize your Google business profile, GBP. So Google business profile is a free tool that allows you to manage how your business appears in Google search and Google Maps. When people search for local businesses, your GBP listing is often the first thing they will see. So how to optimize your Google business profile? Well, first is claim your profile. If you have not already, go to the Google business profile website and claim your business. Fill out all the required information such as your business name, address, phone number, and website URL. Then add business categories. Choose the right categories that describe your business. Now, this helps Google understand what your business offers and show it to the right audience. Then, next, upload photos. Add high quality photos of your storefront, products, services, and staff. Listings with photo receive 42% more requests for directions and 35% more click throughs to websites. Update business hours. Make sure your business hours are accurate, including special hours for holidays or events. So, here's a small action tip. Regularly update your Google business profile with new photos, posts, and business details. This shows Google that your business is active and helps you rank higher in local searches. Next step is optimize for local keywords. So, just like regular SEO, local SEO involves optimizing for the right keywords. The difference is that local SEO focuses on geo specific keywords, those that include a location. Then obviously you will ask how to find local keywords. Well, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or RFs to find keywords that people are searching for in your area. Then include the name of your city or region in your keywords, such as plumber in Dallas or best coffee shop in Seattle. Then focus on both short tail and long tail keywords that are relevant to your business. So here's a small action tip. Once you've identified your local keywords, include them in your websites, meta tags, headings, URL, and content. But remember to do it naturally. Do not overstuff your content with keywords. Next step is optimize your website for local SEO. So, having a well optimized website is crucial for ranking in local searches. Your website should clearly communicate where your business is located and the services or products you offer. Then, obviously, the question that comes to your mind is how do you optimize your website for local SEO? Here are a few steps. Include NAP information. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. So, make sure your NAP is consistent across your website and all online listings. Include it in the footer of your website and on your contact page. Then create local content. So write blog posts or articles which are relevant to your local area. For example, if you are a real estate agent, you could write a blog post about the best neighborhoods to live in your city. Then mobile optimization. So since most local searches are done on mobile devices, your website needs to be mobile friendly. Now, this means it should load quickly and display properly on smaller screens. So, here's an action tip for you. Add a location page to your website that includes all the essential information about your business, such as your address, phone number, business hours, and directions. Then you should get customer reviews. So, online reviews are incredibly important for local SEO. Google uses reviews as a ranking factor. So businesses with lots of positive reviews tend to rank higher in local search results. Here are few steps you can use to encourage customer reviews. Ask happy customers to leave a review on your Google business profile. Make it easy for customers to leave a review by providing a direct link. Then respond to all reviews, whether positive or negative, to show that you value customer feedback. So here's an action tip. Consider running a promotion or contest to encourage more customers to leave reviews. Just make sure you are following Google's guidelines, which prohibit offering incentives for reviews. The next step is build local citations. See, a citation is any mention of your business online, and it usually includes your business name, address, and phone number. Now, citations are important for local SEO because they help Google verify that your business is legitimate and located where you say it is. You can build citations by listing your business in online directories such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, and local business directories. So, here's an action tip for you: make sure your NAP information is consistent across all online listings. Inconsistent information can hurt your local SEO rankings. Next step is get backlinks from local websites. So, see, backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. In local SEO, backlinks from other local businesses, local news outlets, or community organizations can significantly boost your rankings. So, how to get local backlinks? Well, partner with local organizations, charities, or influencers. Then sponsor local events and ask for a link back to your website. Then reach out to a local bloggers or journalists to see if they will write about your business. So here's a small action tip again. Focus on building relationship with other local businesses and influencers to earn quality backlinks. The more reputable and relevant the linking site, the better. So that was it. Here is the conclusion. You need to start optimizing for local SEO today. See, local SEO is an essential part of your digital marketing strategy if you want to attract more local customers. So, by optimizing your Google business profile, targeting local keywords, and building local citations, you can improve your chances of showing up in local search results and driving more traffic to your business. But start with the basics: claim your Google business profile, optimize your website, and encourage customer reviews. From there, focus on getting local backlinks and building citations to boost your rankings even further. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on SEO and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.